Alright guys, you ready for our annual paper airplane contest?
Heck yeah, I'm ready. Let's do this.
Can we just get this over with before you fall off the roof again, Chris?
No, Joey. I will fall off the roof all I want. And we're doing this slow and steady like every year. Not the falling off the roof, but the paper airplane contest. You of all people should know that. And you of all people should know the rules. The rules are simple. We throw our airplanes at the sound of the horn. After that, we see who goes furthest. Whoever is in the last two places has to watch Furry Vengeance.
Yeah, if you remind me of that again, I'm literally going to jump off this roof. We all know we're going to lose to Max. He is a master of folding planes.
All right, let's get this slaughter done with already. I have plans today that don't include Furry Vengeance.
Alright guys, let's get this Furry Vengeance watch-a-thon through. At the count of 3, I'll let out a horn afterwards. Not the butt horn. I did not eat enough beans today. 3, 2, 1.
Fuck yeah! Now all you bitches gotta watch Furry Vengeance now. Oh,
No,
what are you doing?
No, you're getting off this fucking roof. You messed with the wrong paper airplane contest, foo.
Ooh, two midriffs
Three, midriff.
Yeah!
Not enough midriff.
in a
Touchdown.
row.
Not enough.
Touchdown! Goal!
Max's midriff makes me the happiest.
Of course it does.
Because it's the hairiest. Wait, I don't know, let me see. I was about to say, Joey's has got it all cluttered up. I like Max's because it's like fat and expanded.
Thanks.
What? I like fat.
Yeah, he's a chubby chaser.
I know you do, baby.
I know I'm a chubby chaser.
Is this mine?